Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, if it's your first time to come across with my video, my name is Franz, well known as Fantosh. Welcome to Fantosh YouTube channel. So, allow me today to walk you through in the journey how to quit your 9 to 5 job in few years to become a goat farmer, to become a successfully goat farmer based in Namibia. Let me walk you through. Okay, Mr. J will start with because forgive me guys, because I need to read it for you, because I jot it down for you so that I make it easy for you to understand it, because we need figures here, we need numbers here, how it works. Because I assume you, after watching this video, watch from start to the end. After watching this video, after finishing watching this video, I beg you guys, you are going to quit your 9 to 5 job which is stressing you too much. You know, 9 to 5 job is not, I know, people, they are just there because the sake of they are getting something from it. But the treatment they are getting there is not making them happy. But there are those who want, or there are those who are on those posts of 9 to 5 job. They are very happy with their job. They love what they are doing. They have passion with what they are doing. But there are others which are very stressed. Waking up early in the morning, go to work early in the morning from 8 to 5. It's very stressful, guys. Okay, allow me to walk you through the journey of goat farming. You start with Mr. John want to start with 22 goats, which means 20 female and 10 they are male, which is a bulk. And then he started in let me make it like this. He started in December 2025. He started in December 2025. Let's go through. Okay. Remember, a goat, if well managed, well take care, it give you twice a year. A goat give twice a year, give birth twice a year, because it carry for 5 months, it give birth. 5 months, it give birth. Let me walk you through. Mr. John started with 22 goats. The end of the year, he has 40 kids. In that 40 kids, let's be realistic, 20 they are female and 20 they are male. And then he decided to keep the 20 female to add on the mother's number to become 40. But he decided also to sell those 20 male after castrating them. You know, after you castrate your goats, they become very fat, they look nice, they look delicious. Even it's working there, you are feeling that taste, like you want to eat that meat after castrating them. And he sell those 20 male goat at 1,000 each, because 1,000 each Namibian dollar. And then in 20 goats, let's go. In 20 goat, he got 20,000. And then he's still working his 9 to 5 job. Because he started these 22 goats and he employed somebody who's taking care of them, who's making them good for grazing, come back home, take care of the kids. And then end of the year, after selling those 20 After selling those 20 female, nah, 20 male, I'm sorry guys. After selling those 20 male, he got to 20,000. And in that 20,000, he removed 12,000, which means he's paying his worker 1,000 each month, which is 12 months, and 1,000 times 12 is 12,000. And he's left with 8,000. He take that 80,000, he put it on the saving account. Another year, in March 2026, he have 40 female. All those ones, they are grown up. They are 40 now. They are female. They are ready to meet. And realistically, all the 40 give birth that year. Each year, each got give twice. Means 40 times 20. 40 times 2, you got 80. But let's be realistic, because there are some which are not going to meet. There are some which are going to abort. And then he got 60 kids. In those 60 kids, he decided to keep 30 female and sell 30 male, which is 30 times 1,000 equivalent to 30,000. 30,000 minus 12,000, you get 18,000. Let's be realistic, guys. We are doing business here. Okay, you take that 18,000, put in the saving account. 18 plus 8,000, it's equivalent to something. Do the calculation. Let's proceed. In March 2027, he decided also to take that 30 female and add it to 40. They become 70. 70 mothers, they give birth. All of them gave birth. No abortion, no predator killed by the or eaten by the kids. And then he got 140 kids from 70. I'm sure if you have 70 goats per year, at the end of the year you need to have 100 something goats, kids there. And on those 140 kids, 70 they were female and 70 they were male. And they decided to sell all the male at 1,000 each. He got 70,000. That is a year 3. 70,000. And in that 70,000, he removed 12,000 for the worker. He left with 58,000. 3 years. 58,000 plus 18,000 plus 80,000. How much are you having? 3 years. Let's go 2028. He has taken those 14. Now he has taken those 70 goats and add them to this 40. He got one. He has 2028. He has 140 female. 140 female. They give birth, all of them, and he has 280 kids. On those 280 kids, 140 they are female, 140 they are male. He decided to sell 140 males at the price of 1,000 each. Remember, if you have a castrated bulk or a castrated goat, it go above that in Namibia. It go above that. I'm telling you, it go above that. I'm just using this the lowest price so that I make everything realistic. easy for you to understand it, easy for you to follow, and to open your mind, your mindset, because what we need to do is mathematics here. And that's the year 4. And then the total after selling those for 140 male, he got the money is 128,000. After, because he got 140,000, you will need to minus something from the work for the workers. He have 120 something thousand. 120 something thousand plus 100 plus 18 plus 50 something thousand plus 80,000. You go to that money. Do the calculation, guys. I beg you, you are going to quit your job. Let's go. Year 5. In 5 years now, we are finishing the 5 years. He has 280 female. And then he got, end of the year, he got 560 kids. And among those, 280 they were female and 280 they were male. He decided to sell the 280 at 1,000 each, and he got 280,000. After minus, because this 200 and something kids, these goats, you still have one worker. Let me beg, I beg you, you still need to have one worker. No need for a lot of workers, because this one they are easy to manage. It's not the big number. And after the end of after all the 5 years, now the total money, the money say he put on the save account is 480,000. 480,000. 480,000 Namibian dollar after 5 years. And let me take you back at the start. When he started those 22 goats, he bought each at 900. He bought each at 900, and then which it total is 20,000. You know, if you are doing 95 job, tell me, if you take this 20,000 today, whether you go to Letseho, you go to any bank, the nearest bank which can allow you to go and get a loan, within some 2 years, let me tell you, if you are a very realistic person, you will do calculation. Within 2 years, you are finished paying your loan. You are finishing paying your loan with your 20,000, which maybe you will end up you're going to pay 20 something thousand. It's not going to 30. It won't. You see, this is how you need to do your calculation. And then tell me which type of investment which you are going to start with 20,000 and invest it. You invest that money in there for it to accumulate. After 5 years, you have 480,000. Remember, this money just coming from the male. After those male are raised, after castrating them, is selling them. But we did not do the calculation of selling the female also. Because when you're selling goats, you need to sell them in bulk. Some people comes, they buy for breeding. Some, they come and buy for meat. You know? Those are the things you need to think about. When you want to venture in that business, what's the benefit? What are the diversify you need to go in? This is what you have after 5 years. I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to quit. I beg you guys, let's go. Let's do calculation. Okay, if you reach here, you come up to this, you are still watching my YouTube channel, you still watching my video. Guys, I appreciate you. You are doing some love. You are showing some love. You can comment down below wherever you are watching from. What calculation do you want us to do? So that we break it down for you, for easy. You understand it. What video or what business do you want to start? Let's do diversify and do calculation for you. We make everything easy for you. That's because we love each other. If not agriculture, nothing else. If not agriculture, nothing else. Please, it's your boy, Fantosh. Fantosh on farming. Until next time, bye for now.